Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today we are doing grilled Greek chicken wraps. Yes. So, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Share this with your friends and family. Enjoy. So like I said, we're doing grilled Greek chicken wraps. It's a mouthful, I know. So I've been trying to figure out different ways to incorporate chicken into my diet. This was one of those ways. I like Greek style food and it's got chicken in it. So that's what we're gonna do today. So the first thing you obviously wanna start with is the chicken. Duh, because it's raw. So we're gonna keep the ingredients simple with the chicken. So I have it nice and cubed up into nice large-ish chunks. But then we're gonna use olive oil, garlic and onion powder, and then just a little bit of cumin. Throw that on there. Okay, then a little bit of olive oil. Now here I have about 3 chicken breasts. So I have about 2 tablespoons, but if you use 1 or 2 chicken breasts, just use a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, and then pepper, garlic, and then some onion. And then with the cumin, you wanna go light, so I wanna use probably roughly about a teaspoon of cumin, maybe even a half teaspoon. But everything else, I used about a tablespoon of each. Okay, mix that all up. So while my chicken is cooking, for my wrap, I obviously have tortilla shells. You can use naan, it'd be more like a chicken gyro at that point. But I got wraps to make it more of a burrito, and it's a lot less bread. You can also use lettuce and make lettuce wraps with this as well. Then I got some feta cheese, and whenever you're doing Greek stuff, you gotta use real feta cheese. And then I got some nice diced tomatoes. And then I'm gonna put some pepperoncinis and some Kalamata olives in this. I like the olives. You don't have to put any of this in here, but I like the pepperoncinis and I like the olives. And then I went ahead and made a homemade tzatziki sauce. It's very simple, very quick and easy. I'll put the full recipe in the description below for you guys, but it's just Greek yogurt, cucumber, diced up cucumber, salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano, some dill, and some garlic and onion, and just a pinch of cumin, and then a little bit of lemon juice. But it's very simple. I love tzatziki sauce. It's yummy. It makes the world go around. And then I got some lettuce to put inside my wrap. But our chicken's almost done, and then we'll assemble our wrap. Okay, the chicken is just about done. I went ahead and turned my griddle off. While it's still hot, go ahead and heat up one of your tortillas. That way it's a little more pliable and a lot easier to fold. But you don't need to do it long, like 10 seconds. All right, let's assemble this wrap. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my lettuce. You don't need a lot. Okay, then I'm gonna take some of my tomatoes. Okay, and then like 4 or 5 olives. And you can leave them whole or you can chop them up, it doesn't matter. Okay, then I'm gonna do about 2 pepperoncinis. Again, leave them whole or you can slice them up. I like them whole, and I like a lot of pepperoncinis, so I put 2 on there. Okay, then I'm gonna take a little bit of feta. Okay, and then we're gonna put our tzatziki sauce on next. Okay, and then just some of our chicken. Okay, then we're gonna give it the old roll. And the key is you tuck the sides in, kind of push everything towards the middle. And fold your corners in. And roll it over. Fold a little bit of your other corners in. Tuck and roll like so. And while my flat top is still kind of warm, kind of toast it a little bit. Okay, and there you have a nice little Greek chicken wrap. Okay, I'm excited. I don't even know where to start. Oh yeah. Cheers. Oh yeah. Well, that didn't suck at all. So, if I could just eat tzatziki sauce, don't get me wrong, I'd be a big man. But the tzatziki sauce is just everything about Greek food. It's just, I know it's not like all Greek food, but it's there. But the chicken's good. It's got a nice kind of spicy flavor with the pepper and the cumin. The tomatoes and lettuce are nice complementary. Obviously the pepperoncinis and the Kalamata olives are bueno. The tortilla works well as a burrito, but this is stellar. You need to try this. It's bueno. But there you have it, guys, a grilled Greek chicken wrap. If you like this video, again, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Share this with your friends and family. And as always, peace out, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.